Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about the problem running sum of a only array. Given an array, we define a running sum of an array as running sum of I equal to sum of nums of I etc etc. Return the running sum of the nums. Here let's look into example 1. Here input nums equal to they given us some sorted array and the output becomes 1 3 6 10. How it comes? Let's take the index value 1. We have to add the previous element of the current element. Here 2 and the previous element of 2 is 1 and we have to add the 1 in the place becomes what? The answer is 3. It travels to the next element, it goes to the next element and it checks the previous element of this is what? Now the element is what? 3. It changed, right? So we have to add the 3 plus 3 becomes 6 and it goes to another element and it checks and it becomes 10. Okay, how we can approach this problem? Let's take I equal to looking into this array where we can start. That's a question, right? We can start from the element which have a previous element. From the start, the previous element is starts from 2 because for 1 there is no previous element, right? So it starts from the index where 1, right? And I less than num start length I plus plus. Here we have to nums of I, the element equal to nums of I plus what? The previous element, the current element plus previous element, nums of I minus 1, and we simply return the array, return nums. Here we can see all test cases are passed. Let's submit it. Yeah, all test cases are passed. It beats 100% of the other solution. Great, right? So that's about the video. I hope you all understand this problem. Let's see in another video.